monkey that just hit me on my toe in my boot.
Oh no, what are we gonna do? No, baby.
It's cold.
A little bit, you think?
I need to get my gloves.
Yeah, I need shoes.
Go.
Hey, little man, what's it doing out here? What's all that white stuff?
Get away from
There's
it.
snow?
You need to fix my scarf. It never stays on me. Oh, I see snow.
See, it's right there.
Here.
All that stuff falling from the sky.
Yeah. It's rain.
All that white stuff.
It's rain mixed with cold.
Yeah.
Technically. Seriously now?
Mm-hmm. Yeah.
Take a picture of me and you're not going to be asleep tonight.
I'm taking video.
Do it.